start.
Michael.
Scrum Master per team, many options. Hey, what do you think? I'm michaeln, best agile coach in the universe. Going to Martians. Thank you, Martians. What a difference a week makes. So what do you think? Is it Scrum Master per team? Is it Scrum Master for 2 teams, 4 teams? Is it Scrum Master from the team who's also a technical person? Or is it a hired Scrum Master? So many options. What's the right answer? Well, as a good consultant, I'll say it really depends. It depends what you're trying to achieve. Definitely having one Scrum Master for 6 teams probably won't get you a lot of good results. Having a hired Scrum Master rather than someone from the team can get good results depending on what we're trying to achieve, what we're trying to, the goal you're aligning your agile digital transformation to achieve. Definitely if you want someone to get the team in track of team agility practices, getting the team to practice agile and Scrum, you can have someone from the outside. On the other hand, if it is that you want to achieve more what I call technical agility, meaning pair programming, what we call extreme programming, pair programming, TDD, business-driven development, test-driven development, all that great stuff, maybe what you might want to need is someone from the team to lead the Scrum practices. There's no really good one answer. It depends what you want to achieve. Sometimes Scrum Master need to be more from the business maybe if you want to achieve product agility. So think about those 3 things. Business technical agility, team agility, and product agility as you're thinking of who will that Scrum Master be. One Scrum Master for 1 team, 2 team from the outside, a team Scrum Master, but definitely not one Scrum Master who cannot coach the team when they're handling 6 teams. I'm michaeln, rest of the Margins. Thank you this beautiful, eerie afternoon.